In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images and data into Ecwid step by step. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your e-commerce store's product range with ease, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to your Ecwid account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Ecwid control panel, which is your central hub for managing your online store. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the catalog option. Go ahead and click on it. The catalog section is integral as it holds all your product listings, making it a crucial step in our import process. Clicking here will take you to a page where you can manage your products in bulk, which is incredibly handy for a clean and efficient operation. Now, within the catalog section, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Import or Export Products. This is a pivotal part of our tutorial today. By accessing this area, we open up the possibilities to either bring in new data or download what we already have for updates or backups. Once you click here, you should see a few more options tailored for data handling. From there, let's focus on the task at hand, importing your products. You should notice the Import Products button. Clicking this will set you on course to bringing new data into your store. Ecwid makes this step quite intuitive by guiding you to the next screen where you can upload your files. Speaking of files, it's time to move on to those. Hit the Import File button and you'll be prompted to choose the file or files you want to import. For the best experience, make sure that your files are in a compatible format like a CSV, which is commonly used for uploading product data including images. Organizing your data accurately beforehand will save you plenty of time and ensure a smoother experience. Once you have selected the files from your computer, the system will start processing them. It's crucial to double check that the files you're importing contain all the necessary details such as product names, descriptions, prices, and images. Remember, thorough preparation leads to fewer errors during import. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to import images and data into Ecwid. With these instructions, you should be well equipped to enhance your online store's inventory efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tips. Until next time.